Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by isolating the workbook and preventing spread. Save a separate copy as XLSX so binary macro code is removed, and then disconnect from the network to stop exfiltration. Next, open Excel Trust Center and disable all macros. This prevents any malicious VBA from executing. Once done, use a reputable antivirus or anti-malware tool to scan that saved copy and quarantine anything flagged. Make sure to keep the original file intact for investigation while you work on the copy. You now inspect the workbook contents while macros remain disabled. Open Excel in safe mode to avoid add-ins, then use the Developer tab to access the Visual Basic Editor and Review modules, class modules, and this workbook for unknown code. Once you identify suspicious routines, export a copy of safe modules and delete the dangerous ones. Save changes to the quarantined copy. Also search worksheets for obfuscated formulas, strings built with char and concat or hidden hyperlink, and replace or remove them to neutralize payloads. You finish by cleaning and validating the workbook thoroughly. Remove any hidden sheets, unhide all rows and columns, and review named ranges for unexpected references. Delete anything suspicious. Save, then rescan the cleaned file with an updated antivirus and anti-malware scanner. If everything is clear, re-enable macros only if you verified their source and integrity. If the file remains compromised or critical data is corrupted, restore from a verified clean backup or rebuild the sheet. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, isolate the machine and consult a digital forensics expert.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.